So here is the castle. We went up in there and now we're going to Shukkeien Gardens. Shukkeien? Not sure how to say it. So there's the castle grounds. So this is the Hiroshima Prefectural Art Museum, and Shukkeien Garden is straight ahead. So yeah, we came right to it in a roundabout sort of way. And they keep their trees in cages. Sometimes they break out of their cages. Oh, a lot of people going here. When you see tour buses, you know you're in the right place. And here it is. So there's an admission fee of 260 yen, which is $1.50, give or take. But Janet said seniors are free.
Free admission if you're over 65 or older. Or if you have a disability certificate.
Common pass with art museum. Okay. You want to go in the art museum too? It's 610 yen.
So they're one of those stamps.
We were free, but she still gave us tickets. We showed them our driver's license, our California driver's license, and got us in free. Pretty cool looking. Oh, look at all the flowers. These are tiny irises. Weird. Micro irises. Seafood farm? Peony garden? Look at this tree. So look, there's like little tiny irises. Look, I mean, here's my finger, right? So they're little. And then this looks kind of like a crepe myrtle. It's different than the ones where we are. Is that a peony?
I think so.
I don't think they grow on a plant like that, though.
But it's a peony garden.
Oh, I guess they are peonies then. And then here we have rocks and rhododendron. Giant rhododendron. It's like a tree now. Or maybe it's an azalea, I don't know. Here, which is it? And a little wooden footbridge. So the cherry blossoms are mostly gone from this park. But I guess we could walk around the lake here. Call this our real Japanese garden. Down in the water at all the cherry blossoms. So there's other trails that we're not going to take. So we can take the bridges. Koi!
I don't think she's going to do it.
You really wheeling her here? A boat! Das Boot. Somebody cut me off. But they're narrating for us. Hi. Oh, look at this. This is like a storybook land at Disneyland, right? A little boat ride. Should we go up there? Rice field?
That's what it says. I guess that's the base.
Route. I think there's a maze down there. Look at the cherry blossoms on the ground down there. Probably not going to get up here in a wheelchair. Photo spot. We are up at the top. And it's pretty beautiful. Pretty beautiful. But so's Janet. Pretty beautiful. But look at that bamboo. Let's go through it. So we'll go around this way. Herbal garden. Don't see any herbs. Look at the bamboo. Is that bamboo growing new ones? They look weird. Hey, the gardener. Oh, I guess this is the herbal garden. Hi. Oh, this is a cherry tree. And those are cherry blossoms that's growing out of the trunk and growing all over the ground. And this is a maze, but it's an easy maze. And there's a river.
After the atomic bomb, people said no window plant for 75 years. So
Hey, now you're in the video.
oh yes.
So there's little bridges and Little ponds. I mean, it's like Tom Sawyer's Island and Storybook Land all in one. Goes off that way for a bit. I don't know if it circles back around or not. Turtle.
Yes.
Yum. Pigeons too. It is slippery stairs. Please be careful. Ooh, those are big. These mosquito. Nope. I'm gonna wimp out and take the alternate route because they're slanted and everything.
Yeah.
And I got all this equipment in my hands.
So pretty.
I hear machinery off in the distance. Anyway, she wasn't playing that and singing, was she? Well, we're gonna head back. So, restrooms. Women, men. Men. One sink, 2 urinals, Toto, I face the waves, bidet, cool.